Having something going on.
How you see yourself? How you see yourself?
Yes.
No.
Oh no, I don't see Lucy.
You.
Me, hi. Wait.
Wow. It's a good thing.
Okay. Let's do a Taylor Christmas tree.
Yeah.
We're gonna name this thing Birdie. So.
Yeah. It is. That's my
You don't even make B.
That's a fly.
That's B.
B?
It's a B. They'll go away. We just gotta grab some sweet stuff. Let's go grab some sweet stuff for the B.
Got it?
Yep. Let's go grab some sweet stuff for the B.
I don't know.
It'll work. It wore the B away. Here. Do this. Come here, baby. If we put it right there, it'll see it. It'll see it, and then it'll eat it right there. It's a bee. It's a bee. Scared of bumblebees. A regular bee. Oh, birdie. Wherever it went. It's a birdie.
See? Yeah.
Wait. Dong. Where did it go? Did you kill it?
No.
No?
It's something.
I think it got stuck inside the spider webs, maybe.
Oh, it just flew that way.
Yeah. Here. Maybe the birds will eat that. The birdies. Oh, heebie-jeebies is from that. Heebie-jeebies. I don't have heebie-jeebies. Look at the water. Look at the water. I don't have heebie. I don't have heebie-jeebies. Heebie-jeebies. Wait, I see the bee. Oh, never mind. It flew away. Okay. Around the world, around. Zippers.
People see that too, like.
Around the world, round. Oh, Dizzy. A boom!
Wow.
Look up the nostril. Well, that'll be the end of this video of the birthdays and the funny stuff.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Say bye bye, Joe.
Bye.
Ready?
Yeah.
Say one last bye bye.
Alright.